Is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Alyssa here, and today's video is just going to be a little tutorial on how I slay my wigs. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. You guys have been asking for this video since day one, like since the first video that I've ever posted on YouTube, and I just told myself, okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more practice first, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I do what I do. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. And if you guys are interested in how I lay my wigs, please keep on watching. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by just fitting the wig to our head and like making sure that there's enough lace on both sides, like equal amount, because you know, you don't want to look crazy, or you don't want there to be more lace on one side than there is than the other, so you just want to make sure. And I'm also checking to see if I like the way I plucked, to see if I need to pluck a little bit more now that it's on my head. So yeah, everything looks good, so we're just gonna start cutting. Okay, so now that I've started cutting, I just go in with the middle first. I go straight in and I just cut down the middle, and I cut in a zigzag motion, because if you cut in a straight motion, like all around the hairline, it will not look natural at all. So you want to stay away from cutting straight, and you want to cut in like a zigzag, rigid type of motion, and you want to cut as close to the hairline as possible. Okay, so when it comes to the lace that is right next to the ear, when you actually wear the wig, you're going to want to be able to push it behind your ear. And in order for you to do that without your actual hair showing, is to cut the lace over the ear to customize it like perfectly to your ear shape, so that it's easy to just pull back without, you know, it lifting up or your actual hair showing. So you're going to want to cut in an upward motion over the ear. Okay, so after I pin my hair up, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting on the other side. But the trick is really to just cut in sections, so it's easier for you. Don't try to cut the lace all at one time, because it is way easier to mess up that way. And like I said, just continue to cut in a zigzag motion and everything should just turn out good. Alright, so now that I'm done cutting, here is the fun part. We're going to use our Got To Be glue, just a little dab, and we're just going to dot it along our hairline. And like I said, you go by section. Don't try to do the whole thing at one time, because that's the easiest way to mess up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing it little by little, and I'm just spreading out the glue, and I'm just going to let it dry for a couple of seconds, because you still want it to be tacky. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at this point. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. You really want to do this part in sections. I start with the middle first, and then I take the pointiest thing that's next to me, and right now that's scissors, and I'm just going to press down with it, and I'm going to do each side at a time. And I also put down the sideburns so that there's not much tension on the lace, so that it's easier for it to dry. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just taking down the edges so I can see how thick I want them and where I want to cut them and if I need to pluck behind them, and yeah. And then I'm just gonna cut them up and make them little baby hairs. And I know you're probably thinking she's cutting a lot of hair, but it's because I like my edges to be kind of thick so that they show, especially with a color like red, because you know sometimes it doesn't really show out like that on your skin. So yeah, you kind of want them to be thick. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my edges brush, and then I'm gonna take my Aussie mousse. I love this stuff. I live by this stuff so hard. Like, it is so good for wigs. And I just go ahead and I put it on my baby hairs, and I just do my baby hairs to my liking. And yeah. Okay, so my edges literally came out perfectly. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. And until next time.